Need to analyze your data elsewhere or share it with a tool that doesn't integrate? Exporting from FreshBooks gives you the raw data to work with. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Most lists and reports have an export option. For a list, like clients or expenses, look for an Export button, usually near the top. It will download a CSV file. For reports, like profit and loss, run the report first, then look for the Export or Download button to save it as a PDF or Excel file. My crucial pro tip? Export client lists for mail merges. Need to send a holiday card or newsletter? Export your client list with addresses. Clean it up in Excel, then use it for a mail merge in Word or a marketing platform. It's a great way to leverage the data you're already keeping. Break your data out of FreshBooks for custom analysis and marketing. What's the first thing you do when you get financial data into Excel? For more guides on advanced data use, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.